Coming down the hall. Laundry this time is on the right. There's your washer dryer hookup. Looks like they did a little bit of tearing on the linoleum. And they moved out, they ripped it. Closet this time is on the left. Same closet, same space, same everything. And master bedroom. Same size. Same missing outlets. Tub shower. Toilet. Vanity. So that door is to the hallway, that's to the bathroom, and this is the closet. So these middle units are just flipped around. All the same space, all the same, except this color is a little different.